Hi, imagine 12 weeks from now, you are living the life you've always dreamed of. A life filled with creativity, recognition, and financial security. All because you dare to believe in yourself. And you took the very first step towards becoming a published author. All right, let me tell you a little bit about myself. And I'm going to be showing you how you can become a published author in less than 10 weeks from now. And I'll be able to show you how you can use the very instrument of a book to get ahead in life, in business, and become an authority. You know what? I know you're a busy professional, workforce, and you have busy schedule out there. Do you know that there's no how you can spell authority without writing the word author? That tells you that one of the best way for you to remain respected as a professional is for you to become an author. And when you write a book about your story, your skill, or your expertise, then you can leverage on that skill to become an opportunity for you to leverage on the time and begin to have residual income. And that is the most important thing about this journey, that you can make both impact and income just with you writing your first book. And this can position you in the least expected place you have been struggling to be. My name is Adiola Tekuja. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a coach, and most importantly, I'm a 3-time author. And for over half of a decade, I have been helping aspiring entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and everyone that dares to publish or package their stories, their skills, and their expertise through books. Let me tell you, before then, I was like you. I started this journey as a life coach, and you don't want to have an idea of how much struggle that was going on in my life just to be able to capture and get the attention of the people that I would like to coach, until I discovered this. And this is the important truth I am going to be sharing with you, how by just deciding to capture my story, I redefined my coaching business, and it was just as if my business was open to another door, another level that scaled. And the story is there for you to confirm. And I want to just share part of that for you. I have a special framework that has enabled me to help aspiring coaches in the likes of 10, 12 people now. That framework is what I call my 3Ps framework. And it has always been my pleasure to use the framework to help every aspiring author to self-publish a properly, professionally, and a profitable written book that will become bestsellers even in less than weeks. And why did I say so? This framework is not for you if you don't want to become more, you don't want to do more, and you don't want to have more in life. It is not for you if you don't feel like you have a story, you don't have an impact, you don't have a desire to have a legacy or to even immortalize your life. If you don't desire to share your expertise with a wider audience, or if you don't want to put your story out there so that your legacy can last out, then this is not for you. But I want to tell you, this is for you if you are a go-getter, if you are somebody that have decided to make something proof about your life, and you have always been stuck with the common roadblock, like I don't know what to write about, I don't even know how to start, I don't even think I can write, I don't even know who to write about, or you even lack the total clarity of who to write or what to write or why of your book. Let me share with you the framework that I'm going to be helping you. The first one is to push. And when I talk about the push, it's all about you pushing out the idea from within you, vomiting out the thoughts, pushing out every block and everything that is stopping you from being able to say or talk out your story at least an hour in a week. And from push, I'll push you to publish. And from publish to printing. And I tell you, this is a unique method for some of you, and the most important thing that even differentiates this process among from the rest is the fact that you don't have to even hold a pen, paper, that you can actually publish and print and launch your book without holding a pen. And this is a one-on-one coaching that helps you to vomit your thoughts through video documentation or recording. And just with that alone, you just want to leave the rest with me by you communicating your story through that video session. I have a very robotic team that is taking care of what is left, and what are you having left is the process of transcribing your story that you share through the video session, transcribing and writing, and then from writing, then editing, proofreading, and getting you a wonderful design cover, and then formatting and getting your book published out there. And we begin to leverage on a strategic launch that is going to position you for income and impact. Now, there are two options to this. You can decide to want to do it alone, which is possible. You can decide to have a schedule of an hour every week to just write about something and then keep on writing. But sometimes you get confused and you get lost and you don't have the energy and the motivation to continue the writing, or you don't even know how to structure the outline to bring an easy flow of read that can make outsider and the readers to enjoy your book. This is why I'm inviting you, and I want to encourage you that with Write Your Book special class with Adiola, you are going to be having not only a hands-on 12 weeks training or thoughts coaching, but we're going to be having a done-for-you book writing, documentation, transcribing, editing, proofreading, and cover design, all taken care of, such that you are able to knock aside every barrier that has to do with limited time, with writer's block, or low momentum, or low energy, and guarantees a personally written book that is written professionally and ready for publishing on Amazon and every other platform you desire your book to be done. I encourage you, if this has ever been your desire and you have been waiting and looking for what day that is going to come, then this is the time. I want to share with you one of my clients. Her name is Omolola. Omolola got to hear about this special training sometimes last year. And today I can share with you, as the rest is story, Omolola is now a published author. In fact, her book got published both in English and in French. What about Fọlọ́run Ṣọ́adú? Fọlọ́run Ṣọ́adú is a 75 years old man, and he got his book launched last year, December. And the rest and more, Tunde Ogunje. And also that is his book, you can see. I have also many more people, pastors that have gotten their book out there. You are the next to be celebrated. You are the next to be published. And I don't want you to allow anything again to stop you from being the next published author in your organization and in your company. And that is why I'm inviting you to click the link below to get your spot where you can have a clarity session on how you can begin the process right after now. You deserve to be published. You deserve to be heard. Your voice deserves to be heard and be seen and be heard. You deserve to be a published author. Therefore, click the link and get your spot to have a time for one-on-one clarity session with me. I can't wait to see you. And here's my promise to you. You will become one of the best kept in less than 10 weeks. See you. Thank you for listening. Bye.